Hi there folks, my name is Chris. Grammarly, that's a new app we're going to talk about. It corrects your spelling on the web, on Microsoft Office and also on the operating system. So we're going to install it and we're going to use the free version. It's also a premium version. At the end of this video we're going to talk about. Let's get started. So, hi there folks. So we're gonna get Grammarly. We're gonna install it in our PC, Windows 10. Open Google Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Type in Grammarly. Go to the official site here and you're gonna get this page here, some kind of intro. Go to the top right hand corner, login, and you're gonna get this page. You can continue with Facebook. You can continue with Google. I'm going to continue with Google account. It's my email. So I'm logged in now, and we're going to go to the apps here on the left hand corner, the sidebar. Click on that. You can see already I have here the right hand corner above Grammarly installed on Chrome. It says active here. We're going to install it in Microsoft Office, and we're going to install it in Windows for the operating system. 3 apps. 3 installations. So we're gonna open Microsoft Word. As you can see, there's nothing here, not anything of Grammarly. When you go here and more commands and errands and manage com errands. It must be com errands, nothing else, nothing of this, but com errands and go. You can see it's nothing here, nothing, no Grammarly. So we're gonna install it now. Let's close this and let's open this. We're going to install to Microsoft Office. Okay, Grammarly, get started. Word, Grammarly for output. Install. We're going to skip that. We're going to do that later. And finish. I'm going to close this, and we're going to close this too. Now you can see I have 3 times of Grammarly installed everywhere. Microsoft Office, Word, Windows, and on Google Chrome. So we're going to go open Word
As you can see now, Grammarly is here on the right hand side, top right hand side. Click on it and it's gonna open the Grammarly. Got it. You're gonna see Grammarly here, and when you're not seeing Grammarly here, probably is not installed or is some kind of an issue. Install it again, or you can check here the left hand corner. Click on this, more commands, add-ins, and you're under here manage, com add-ins, and nothing else, nothing of this, but com add-ins. Go. As you can see, Grammarly is here. Maybe it's not checked, that's why you're not seeing this. Check it, or add Grammarly. Click on this and you can add Grammarly here, so you can use it. Let's write something. Mistakes. Open Grammarly first. It's checking now. And when you see here mistakes not correct, so you can click on it and you see you get more options here what to do with this word. You can add it to your dictionary, your personal dictionary, to prevent future alerts, or you can just ignore it. We're gonna change it. We're gonna write it the right way. Mistakes. Let's try another word. Upload is checking, as you can see. Upload is not correct, it's wrong, so you can click on it, you get the same options, and you can change it. Upload. There you can see. And close now. There's also the premium version. Grammarly, let's see it. Grammarly. Enter the premium here. Premium. How much is Grammarly costs? As you can see here, it's $29.95 a month. It can do more things, I suppose. I never tested, but you can try to look it up, what it can do. I don't know. I use the free version. It's good enough for me. So that's it, folks.
That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And see you in the next one.